In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership on Google Sites fast and easy. If you've ever needed to pass the reins of your Google site to someone else, perhaps because of a change in roles or responsibilities within your organization, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Sites homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to select the specific site for which you want to transfer ownership. Simply click on the site to open it. After you have the site open, look towards the top right-hand corner where you'll find a small icon consisting of 3 vertical dots. This icon is commonly known as the More Options menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to choose the Make a Copy option. This step is crucial because having a copy ensures that if anything goes wrong during the transfer, you have a backup version of your site. A dialog box will then pop up, asking you to confirm the action. Click OK to proceed. Now let's head over to Google Drive, where you store your files and documents. Inside Google Drive, you'll need to locate the copy of your site that you've just made. Once you've found it, right-click on the copy, which will bring up another menu. In this new menu, select Share. When you click Share, a sharing window will open up. Here is where we will add the new owner's email address. Enter their email in the provided field. It's important to change their role from the default setting to Editor. This step is pivotal because it initially gives the new owner the ability to edit and manage the site before transferring complete ownership. After entering the new owner's email and setting their role to Editor, there's one last thing to do in this window. You'll see a Send button. Click on it to send an invitation to the new owner. They will receive an email notification indicating that they now have editing rights. By following these steps, you've effectively set the stage for the final transfer of ownership. The new owner will now have the ability to make changes as they see fit and can continue to manage the site going forward. Remember, if your goal is to hand over full control, you'll need to make sure they understand how to accept ownership on their end. And there you have it. A straightforward way to ensure that your Google site transitions seamlessly to its new owner. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your digital content effortlessly.